With the 2023 recession looming, many people are concerned about their financial future. But did you know that a recession can also present unique opportunities to make money? In this video, we'll discuss 3 proven strategies to help you thrive during a recession. Invest in recession-proof stocks. During a recession, some stocks perform better than others. Recession-proof stocks are those that belong to companies providing essential goods and services, such as utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. These stocks tend to remain stable or even grow during tough economic times. To capitalize on this opportunity, research and invest in companies with strong financials and a history of steady dividend payments. As the recession unfolds, these stocks may provide you with a reliable income stream and long-term growth potential. Take advantage of lower real estate prices. Recessions often cause real estate prices to drop, presenting an excellent opportunity for savvy investors. Look for properties in desirable locations that have experienced significant price reductions. Investing in real estate during a recession allows you to acquire valuable assets at a discount, which can result in substantial long-term gains once the market recovers. Consider investing in rental properties to generate passive income or flipping properties for a profit. Just be sure to conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and consult with a professional if necessary. Start or expand a business. While starting or expanding a business during a recession might seem counterintuitive, it can be a smart move. Recessions often lead to reduced competition, lower operating costs, and an abundance of available talent. Use this opportunity to identify gaps in the market and launch a business that addresses unmet needs. Alternatively, if you already own a business, consider expanding your offerings or entering new markets. By taking calculated risks during a recession, you may be well positioned to succeed when the economy rebounds. A recession doesn't have to spell financial disaster. By investing in recession-proof stocks, capitalizing on lower real estate prices, and starting or expanding a business, you can not only survive but thrive during tough economic times. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.